What is blob life? Well, at its simplest, it's just a technique, a painting technique that depends on heavy impasto with acrylic paints, but they're not paints that use brushes. They're paints that are entirely squeezed from tubes, hundreds and thousands of different tendrils or blobs. Those blobs, over the course of an entire painting, hopefully make up my image. This is a process that I've been crafting a little bit over the last several years. I don't claim that I'm the first to ever think of it, although I didn't learn this anywhere else. I kind of figured out how to do this, well, on my own. So what is blob life? Well, I guess it's just about painting. That's the simple way to look at it. But blob life is also blob life, and that life is my journey, my artistic journey, maybe even something to do with your journey, something to do with where you want to be or what inspires you. I'm hoping that over the course of these videos, you can take a look, follow along, watch my process, maybe get inspired to create your own process. We'll have videos that show just how I'm doing it, just the actual act of putting the blobs on the canvas. But we'll also have videos that talk about the process itself, how I got here, how I'm growing, learning, how I've figured out different techniques, because a blob isn't just a blob. You can have all sorts of different techniques, different ways of applying the paint to the canvas, different ways of building it up, different ways of mixing the colors. And all of those in tandem create the process that I have today, a process that keeps changing, evolving. I keep trying new techniques, and hopefully as I continue to try these new techniques, I'll grow. I'll figure out new things, new ways to make my paintings better. And as I do, I hope that you're also inspired to try new things in your own life. Whether I'm just putting paint on a canvas, whether I'm talking about the different aspects of the art world, whether I'm screwing up something with my paint mixing, one way or another, I'm glad to have you along for the ride. And hopefully over time, these won't just feel like my paintings, hopefully they'll feel like a little bit of your paintings as well. So please stick around and subscribe, like, you know, all the things. And hopefully you'll enjoy what we have over the coming months and years.